Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. Today I'll be cooking for the first time in my new outdoor pizza kitchen. And already it's great because I've got room to put my pizza down somewhere. Give it a bit of a wiggle. I want to make this a puffy one, so hopefully this will turn out to be a puffy one. I've got this oven on full. Yeah, it's really hot in there. I've kept it on full, so I'm just going to put this in. Blow off the excess semolina. And, oh, this is a nice height. Right, let's get this in. I want to make this puffy. Did I just say that? Like a puffy crust. Slippy and slidey today. A little bit, is that done? That's done. Got my puff. That's the puff I wanted. Okay. base. Came out all right. Boom, very tasty. I love it on the cheese there, very nice. So I'm very much enjoying my new outdoor pizza kitchen. It's just nice to have this extra space, and it doesn't need to be much space, it's just enough to help you along with your cook. I'm really loving it. Haven't got any modifications to make just yet. Maybe as I continue to cook in here, I might find things that I need to change or do. But for right now, I haven't. I don't know what I'm going to put under there. Not that I need to put anything there, but like a cupboard or something. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you did enjoy it. Check out my other videos too. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye.